Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. How's life? Okay, I hope all of you are in healthy conditions, okay? Today, we'll continue our lessons. Okay, still about the matrix that we have discussed in the last meeting. About offer and suggestions. Okay, pertemuan terakhir kita kemarin sudah bahas offer ya, about tawaran. Today, we discuss about suggestion, tentang memberikan saran. Okay. Let's start it. Read the following dialogue and answer the questions. Okay, this is the text dialogues between Gio and Fanny. Read the dialogue. And the question is, which sentences in the previous dialogue are used to suggest? And the second, how does the speaker respond to the suggestion? Kita cari ya. Okay. This one. Why don't you make more surrender to stop the electricity at your house? And the response is, that's what I'm going to do, but it must be costly. Ini responnya ya. Jadi expressing, giving suggestionnya di sini, ini responnya. And the second form, ini bentuk yang kedua. I suggest you tell your parents or the local governments about it. I believe they will support you. And the response is, good idea. Oke, itu tadi ya. This is the expression and the response. Bagaimana menggunakan bentuk ini? And how about this one? Okay, we study in the next. Suggesting means we propose an idea or a plan for someone's considerations. Suggestions are abstract and can be in form of solution, advice, plan, and idea. It can be accepted or refused. Jadi suggestion itu abstrak ya, dapat berbentuk solusi, kemudian nasihat, rencana atau ide. Sedangkan responnya, untuk merespon kita bisa menerima atau menolak saran dari seseorang. Oke. And then the social function of suggesting is to facilitate interpersonal communication with others to show our respect to him or her. Nah, ini dia. Okay, this is the form. We can use the following words or expressions to suggest. Bentuk yang pertama kita pakai how about. How about bisa kita padukan dengan simple present. This is the example. How about I fetch you at 4 this afternoon? How about subject verb 1. Ya. And then complement. Ada object and then adverb of times. Second form, bentuk yang kedua, how about or what about, kita padukan dengan gerund. Gerund itu kata kerja yang dibendakan, bentuknya verb ing di sini. How about going to Bromo? How about studying together? How about joining this program? Nah, itu ya. And then next, how about or what about plus noun or noun phrase. Contohnya, how about a cup of coffee? How about a glass of water? Dan sebagainya. The next form we use why don't. Why don't we go to library? Kita bisa menggunakan bentuk simple present tadi ya. Why don't subject verb 1. Why don't we go to library? Why don't we join this program? Dan sebagainya. And let's, the short term of let us. Let's go to the canteen. Let's go to the cinema. Nah, let's plus verb 1. Oke, ini beberapa bentuk yang bisa kita pakai. Bisa menerapkannya? Try first. Make your own sentences using this form. Coba buat dengan kalimatmu sendiri ya. Kita terapkan yang tadi. Kita coba menggunakan bentuk-bentuk yang ini. Make a sentence in every form. Kita coba membuat per kalimat dulu. Oke, itu tugasnya. Next. Selain bentuk tadi, kita bisa pakai bentuk yang ada subjunctifnya. Nah, kapan subjunctif kita pakai? Pay attention to the following sentence. I suggest you tell your parents or the local government about it. Ya, ini yang ada di teks dialog tadi. Ada subject, ada suggest. Nah, The word suggest is followed by a subjunctive. Diikuti dengan subjunctive. Ini dia subjunctifnya. You tell your parents or the local government about it. A subjunctive is used in a noun clause which follows tense verbs and expressions. It relates to the verb form that is used to express suggestions. Beberapa kata yang bisa diikuti subjunctive ini: suggest, advise, insist, demands, ask, request, propose, recommends. Ini diikuti dengan subjunctive. Bentuknya klausa ya, present bisa kita pakai. Nah, ini berbentuk present klausanya, ada subject, verb one ya. Mengikuti kata-kata yang bisa diikuti subjunctive ini, suggest, advise dan sebagainya. Jelas? Nah, ini contohnya. Sophia suggests that Bagus brought the bus soon. Mr. Ricky recommends that Arya apply for the scholarships. Dan sebagainya. Kita pakai advise, insist, semuanya pakai ini ya. Oke, informal situation that is often left. Ya, jadi kita bisa menghilangkan that ini di formal situation. Nah, itu penerapannya untuk beberapa kata yang diikuti subjunctive. Oke, bisa menerapkannya dalam kalimat? Nah, coba ya. Complete the following sentences with stable suggestion based on the situation. Use subjunctive. Ada dua situasi di sini, and give your suggestion by completing with subjunctive. Sudah saya berikan di sini kata yang bisa diikuti subjunctive, suggest and insist. Ya, kamu lengkapi dengan bentuk subjunctive tadi. Ingat bentuknya bisa di sini berbentuk klausa ya, berbentuk present bisa. Oke, try it. Nah, the following are expression to suggest and the response. Ini beberapa expression giving suggestion, suggesting ya. I think we should apply for the scholarships. Accepting, kalau kita menerima, you're right. Let's prepare for the requirements. I suggest, ini yang pakai subjunctive tadi. You discuss our program with the principal. That's what I'm going to do. Thanks. Kemudian ini yang pakai why don't you, sorry. Nah, kita balik lagi. I suggest you discuss our program with the principal. Kemudian why don't you meet Angga to inform the news? Yeah, I do it. Kemudian yang pakai let's go to the library. Responnya, it's a good idea. And how about declining? Bagaimana dengan menolaknya? Nah, misalkan nih pakai what about recycling the trash this weekend? Sorry, I would rather stay at home. I want to spend my time with my family. Kemudian di sini ada the train will arrive soon. Kita pakai let's go to the waiting room and be ready. Don't rush. Check the baggage carefully. We still have enough times. Oke, itu tadi beberapa respon ya, kita bisa menerima atau menolaknya. Remember, we still use these forms ya. Kita bisa menggunakan beberapa bentuk tadi untuk expressing, giving suggestion, and this is the way how respond the suggestions. Okay, that's all about the materi this day. Don't forget to do the statement ya. Dicoba tadi latihannya. Good luck for you. And see you for the next meeting. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.